That's an eagle, guys. Yo, that's an eagle. There are so many birds, guys. Look. And I'm in the gateway of India. And those are eagles. Eagle.
हा तेच बघायला समुद्र कुठे समुद्र माहित नाही समुद्राकडे नाही गेला की घरा नाही पूर्ण पॅक केलं सगळा रस्ता बंद करते
मग आम्ही एक सेपरेट काढतो
कावर का बंद आहे ना समुद्रात नाही लाटा पोलिसांनी तिथे वटण्याकडे पण जायचं दोरी बांधण्याच्या जागेला आपण जायचं ना बंदोबस्त भरपूर असते पावसाचं पाणी पूर्ण बाहेर ते भरलं ना रशीकडे CST आहे ते काढायचं ताज हॉटेलचं काढायचं
This place looks like London.
आता कुठे
Full of greenery.
बूट असते मोठे एकदम
That's the ocean. Look at the city far away. It's all foggy. Look at the waves. They are so big in the ocean. Look, there is a city if you look closely. It's raining. Look at the waves. They are so enormous and crazy. Guys, look at the waves. The water is flying and coming on the edge.
Yes, इधर चढ़
Guys, look at the waves. They are coming on top. La 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 la. Yo, look at that. Guys, the water is falling. Guys, look. Guys, that's so creepy. Look. Yes. Look, guys, that's so amazing. Woo. Guys, this is crazy. This ocean is going crazy. Oh shit, no. Oh. Guys. Woo. Guys, this ocean is broken. Okay, it's going to happen again. Yo, mommy, do something. Guys, this place is. Look at the water coming out. Guys.
शर्ट
Guys, this is crazy.
तिकडे यायला लागलं आता. तिकडे यायला लागलं. नाही येत आहे तिकडूनच तिकडे येतं करा पटकन. कमी झालं आपण आल्यामुळे.
Guys, going to happen again.
यश क्लिक कर पिक्चर तसंच.
Guys, guys. Yo! Guys,
हा काढ रे.
guys, look at them, guys.
दाताला काय लागलं.
Guys, the water is coming out full.
याला लाट याला खुशी.
Guys,
अगं उभं राहा की उभं राहा. फोटो काढायचा ना.
guys, guys, this is so crazy. Look at them, guys. They are so. Yo!
छान पाणी यायचं तर मला फिरती.
Guys, this ocean is broken.
मला भिजा पण नाही आहे. आमचा आवाज पण येत आहे वाटतं बोललेलं.
Guys, the ocean.
वाट बघायला लागेल आता.
We are waiting for it to happen again. Guys, this is the craziest experience. Look at them. You! Guys, the water. It's so scary. The water literally came here. Guys, this is Mumbai. Woo. Why is it dirty though? The ocean is dirty. Wow. Yo, no. Oh, shit. Yo. Guys, this is the best experience of my life. Okay, one more. The camera is becoming wet. Guys, the white foam is coming there. There's going to be a small one now, I think. Yeah, not much. So yeah. Guys, look at that. Yes, oh shit! No! Oh shit! Run! Woo! Yo! Guys, that's it. This is the guys, look at her. We are enjoying. This place is so dangerous. Imagine someone goes in the ocean. Woo! Yo! Guys, look at my mom. We all are enjoying. So this is the place I came. Guys, a lot. A wave is coming. Guys.
मेले मी फोन वाट लागला. येस.
आपलं काढू घालताना Guys, this is a garden
काढता ना. हे करा.
full of greenery again. And this garden is very big. Look, eagle. And yeah, this is the garden. Did that touch me not? Guys, I want to see touch me not plant in my life. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so this is India's garden. And yeah, there is so much.
सगळ्यांचं एका बॅकग्राऊंडवर.
And I can already hear the parrots in this place.
तसंच तिला तू देऊन पटकन तुझं पण काढून घे. इथे समुद्र. वाव, ए चल काढ इकडं. ए फोटो काढ इकडं तनु. ए खुशी काढ.
Look, especially after this whole place rained, it's like all wet and like it's so beautiful. And there are so many birds. And there are even parrots. Look, parrots are flying. I hope you see it. Look, parrot. And yeah, look whatever this is. And look, butterflies.
शी.
And there's a butterfly sitting over there. Look. Yeah, whatever. But mistakenly I just went in the mud, guys. I hate mud. Look, parrot.
खुशी ये तू वर. खुशी.
Hope you saw it. And yeah, look, eagle again. So yeah, this is a park. Look, all the eagles, all the small things you see. Don't look. And yeah, look, eagle, another eagle.
कुठे गेले राणे?
And look, yeah, that's a crow.
चल.
So yeah. It looks like a jungle. There are just so many trees here. Look, all eagles. The small dots you see in there. They're very high up, like almost in the space. That's why you can't see. So yeah. So yeah. Eagle. Yeah, this is it. Look, parrots. And guys, look butterflies. Look, there's a butterfly over there. Look. Oh, it flied. Look, it's it. Didi, yeah, butterflies also here. Look, it's sitting there. Yeah. Guys, they are trying to catch the butterfly.
लहानपणी गेली पकडायला. आता ते ऍक्टिव्ह झालं.
Yeah,
बटरफ्लाय पकडायला झालं.
it's sat there. Look. Yeah, what am I showing? So I don't want to make you bored, but yeah, this is the garden I came to. And yeah, what are these? Comment down below if you know. I need comments. Look, what are these? So yeah, this is it. Look at the flowers. These are all the flowers. They are so beautiful. Look. Guys, this is such a beautiful place, full of greenery, birds, animals, and flowers, greenery and all. Look at the flowers, they are just so beautiful. The yellow color. I can hear an eagle in the background. Look. Why is there a big hole in the tree? Maybe it's the home of bats. There's playing area over there. I see slidings. Look. Mummy! Yeah. That's it. The story. The thirsty crow. There is the story of the thirsty crow over here. You can see. And that same crow is somewhere over here. Look, there are so many parrots. Look at the grass. Whee! Yeah. That's it. Babe. Jackfruit. Mummy, don't trouble me.
जॅकफ्रूट
ते jackfruit नहीं है.
जॅकफ्रूट आहे. क्लोजअप कर. पप्पाला दाखव.
Guys, jackfruit. You monkey. Boot. Guys, we found the huge shoes and now we are going inside. It's raining. Wow. Pretty. Look at the dude. You pretty.
You ugly baby.
Guys, we are going inside the shoes now. New. Guys, we're going in the beach. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm going to record what is inside this place. What is this? It's so useless. There is just a staircase and nothing else. Ew, I hate this. What is this, bro? It's so shit. What is this? Bro. Guys, I'm in the balcony of her shoes. This is a video of me going down. So I'm going down now. Okay, I'm going now. Guys, why would they even make this? This is just a shit, bro. There is just a staircase which goes to a balcony and which has nothing in it. It's just a useless piece and there is a home inside. I reached. The crow is eating jackfruit. कसं आहे का मुलं
इकडेच आहे ना बेटा
24,
Again, it's
7
raining.
p.m. onwards. Event brought to you by Virendra Shankar. Tickets only on Book My Show. Grab your tickets now.
guys? I got goddess Brahms flowers. One is this one, like long leaves.
लोटस
It's lotus. And this is with the small leaves, which is supposed to be in the water. And those are the sunflowers, which are not here. Yeah, whatever.
बोथ आर लोटस
Yeah, both are lotus.
रिअल सनफ्लावर
Guys, look how much fog is there. It's raining full. I don't know why am I roaming in so much rain. Look how much fog is there on top of that building. You can't even see the building clearly. Look how much fog is there, guys. And look at the roads. They are so dark and wet. But to be in the car and roam, it is a very fun thing. It's relaxing.
एक ब्लॉक बनवलं की एकच मॉलचं तेव्हा दिले फक्त सारखं नाही
Look at the building. They are so tall.
त्याचा बाप घेतो म्हणाला मी नको म्हणलं
Look, fog. The buildings are going inside the clouds.
नाही 4 दिवस पण मुश्किलच आहे नाही ऐकलं कुठे
All eagles.
मी इकडे यायचं 2 दिवस
Look, all eagles.
आलं होतं नाही आलं होतं ताप आलं होतं त्याला एक आठवडा अगोदर
These are the weak eagles, not the strong ones.
जिंदगीभर एका घरात कोंडून राहिली हाल खराब करून गेली हाल खराब करून घ्यायला लागली तिने पण किती नाजूक झाली माहिती आहे तुला त्याच्या माझ्यानं स्ट्रॉंग होती की नाही म्हणूनच म्हणले होते मी तिला घाल फ्युचरचा विचार करून घाल तनुकडे पण लय दुर्लक्ष होत आहे गं तिचं लहानपणापासून तिच्याकडे लक्षच नाही दिले तिने हेच नाही मग काय तिचे आता बाहेर कुठं पण जाताना तिला पण मम्मी सोबत जायचं असतं अनुष्काला कुठं पण नाही भेटत तिला एक इच्छा असते ना काय एक इच्छा असते काहीच नाही ते सगळे विचार करून घाल म्हणले होते मग का
मेन म्हणजे त्याला दाढ पण जास्त केली
नंतर का
तशी मुलं असं म्हणजे ओरडलं
Guys, everywhere in this video there is greenery only, nothing else. everywhere you will see trees. Just comment down below, did you see a place where there are no trees in this video? It's so peaceful in the car, but when we go out, it's not peaceful. We are chilling in the car.
गणेश ठाकरे तू काढले अमरेला राणे
इथे काढले ठेवले त्यांना ते प्रॉब्लेम होता ना इथे
आरामात बसला होता छान हे दीदीकडे बसता रे यश
आता बाई इकडे पाठवतो
पाठवू पुढं नाही खुशीला पुढं घ्यायचं पाठवतो हे महाग आहे
ते बसलेले बघून मम्मीला ठेवायचं
नाही अगं तिने अजून हे आहे ना नाजूक आहे की तिथे बरोबर बसते कम्फर्टेबल दोघं लहान आहेत ते
सुरुवातीला दोघांचे ऍडजस्ट झालं नाही म्हणूनच ते महागाले
नाही
बहीण भावाचं पटलं नाही
भांडालत ती भांडालत म्हणून नको म्हणाला आता पूर्ण रोडचं काढतोस का बस का 5 मिनिट झाला व्हिडिओ आणा
Look, everywhere trees. Literally everywhere.
भाऊजी कुठे आता गेल्या सिद्धिविनायक ना
हो
We are going to some place. Look at this dude. Look at him. Okay. Even the dog does yoga. I didn't knew that. Is this dog walking with me? Why would I touch him? I don't know. Yeah, whatever. Please confirm that this is your building, because I think it is. Please confirm. I came to Mumbai. Please confirm. Hope you're seeing this. Because there is even a swimming pool. Please confirm this is you.